I welcome you all on this seminar of IIC on the topic Unpacking the Mechanism of Group Discussion. The resource person for the day is Ms. Shipra Bhutani Upal. She is co-coordinator IQAC and assistant professor in Geeta Ratan International Business School. She will be enlightening you all with the basics of group discussion and how you can track your group discussion phases when you be facing interview and all. So I request Shipra Bhutani Upal ma'am to come forward and take over the group. Please welcome everyone to the webinar.
The reason behind this is you must all be aware about what exactly you understood about the word group discussion. You must have enjoyed this group discussion in various your mock interviews as well. Have you done ever? Okay, on which topic? Have you gone through any group discussion activity ever? While graduation के बाद post graduate students are also sitting over here. तो आपने अभी कभी अपने B schools and all के entrance and all में या कहीं पर भी ऐसी कोई activity? Right? Yeah. So what exactly you understood about the word group discussion? Group discussion basically is about the total number of people who are sitting together and discussing about something or the other. It can be relevant to your particular study. It can be related to any kind of discussion which is very generic in nature. It can be about anything you want to come upon any conclusion and all. And majorly अगर हम organizations की बात करें तो organizations के अंदर group discussion basically किए जाते हैं to actually meet up any kind of agreement, to meet up any kind of solution when the problem is being arised in the organization. So organizations used to conduct group discussion activities to reach out to a particular solution where they want to meet up the organizational goals, organizational needs and satisfaction level of the employees as well. So that's what the reason the group discussion activities are being conducted. As you all are now postgraduate students and you are graduate students as well over here. So graduation students के लिए भी group discussion बहुत ज़्यादा important है. आगे आप अपने post graduation के लिए अपने interviews and all में जा रहे हैं तो you have to face group discussion activities and all. Sometimes organization at the time of interview also to analyze your particular skills, try to provide you the topic and to analyze your skills about the group discussion. Do you think that group discussion is a kind of extempore? Is it a kind of extempore? Yes or no? Is group discussion a type of extempore? No, it is not the type of extempore because in extempore a particular individual is standing and speaking only about his point of views over there. It is a kind of, you can say, a debate where someone is speaking about in favor of something and someone is talking about against. So that's what it is. And with different kinds of misunderstandings, with different kind of misconceptions, with different point of views of different category of individuals, the organization comes to a single consensus about one particular problem that is known as your group discussion. Fine. So when we talk about your generic definition, what exactly group discussion is? A focused dialogue among multiple participants on a specific topic or range of topics that are being explained by the individuals of this particular. What are the core elements of effective group discussion? Group discussion करने के लिए क्या-क्या effective core elements क्या होते हैं? First, for your inclusive voice, you must have that particular content. What you want to speak on? जैसे अभी मैंने आपसे question generic पूछा. Is it an extempore at all? You don't have any kind of point of view on that. No inclusive any kind of inclusive voice in our own self. We don't have any kind of point of views and all. So inclusive voices, it must speak, express your own ideas about anything or everything, you know. Like, then there should always be a respectful exchange among the individuals who are actually discussing any type of topic. It is not your roadies and all जहाँ पर एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ने को तैयार बैठे. Group discussion, when we are talking about any kind of organization and all, the interaction, there should be always a respect. Have you ever gone through any kind of respectful debates that are going on TV channels and all? How the people used to debate with each other respectfully. That respect, you must not tarnish anybody's ideas, anybody's expression of voice and all, because that is their particular point of view on that particular agenda and all. So your right cannot be the right in the eyes of another individual. That's what it is. Everybody is right in their own eyes and in their own definition. That is why they are doing this particular thing. Fine. So you must be, there should be always a respectful exchange among the individuals who are actually doing this. Then there must be a diverse perspective, because when you are discussing the major agenda, when we are discussing and the discussion is among 5 people, 7 people or 10, then definitely every individual have a different point of view. सारे के सारे एक ही point पे आके agree नहीं करते, ठीक है? At the end, maybe you get convinced and all, or sometimes the majority used to say and others used to follow. But yes, everybody have their different point of views and all. Diversification is there. So always when you are discussing, it should be idea-centric display. Deviate with the topic. When we are talking about something, your topic should remain on the same platform and you must be talking about the same agenda, what exactly the particular topic is totally all about. Fine. What are the different categories of discussions that are happened in the organization? First one, that is known as your informational or educational one. Informational or educational one basically are being done in the your graduation, post-graduation, different kind of competitions, management fest and all. These kind of activities are being done to actually analyze the individual's educational process to pursue for the another category. So many competitive examination also have a curriculum in which they used to actually analyze the individual's according to the skills which are being generated with the overall discussion activity. Then another one that is known as problem solving and decision making. Problem solving and decision making activities, these are basically these kind of discussions are being done in the organization where the organizations are facing any kind of problem and they are looking for any kind of solution to those problems. Right? Third one is your idea-centric and all. That is your generic discussions that used to happen even sometimes sitting in canteen also. ठीक है सर, काफी है. Yes, anybody have any kind of questions or any queries and all? Then you can ask about the group discussion.
Thank you, ma'am, for the informative session. I now request everyone to kindly fill the feedback form, which is we have rotated on your phone. Please fill the feedback form. Thank you very much.